I think around the world, water bodies are in a process of being straightened, canalized, modernized, and as part of what I would just call a modernization process, right? You have property developing along its edges or formal parks developing along their edges. So I think one thing that we have learned over many years is the importance of community-based coordination and kind of social life relative to water, and how rather than thinking about it as a massive urban system, that we can begin to break water management and thinking about water and urban design into really more of a neighborhood scale, and integrate community participation and bring, you know, community knowledge, indigenous knowledge, many forms of knowledge to the table. There's a huge amount of work to do because many of our cities have, you know, gone beyond repair, particularly cities in my country in America. But we also have some stories of collapse and reinvention. One book that has been very orienting for us that we read prior to visiting you here at Unos Andes was a book called Magdalena, River of Dreams by Wade Davis. And he, in that book, is kind of putting forward the Magdalena River as a kind of a conduit for dreams, aspirations, for the reinvention of Colombia writ large as a kind of a, you know, world power of biodiversity and with the ethos of life at its center. And so we have a lot of work to do in the American context, and we're truly very excited about this exchange. A former studio that we did in the United States was looking at the Mississippi River, our kind of national river, in that same vein. So we're very excited to try to bring that thought process to bear here and learn from what's happening in Bogota particularly. So.